Hi, kindergartners. I'm missing my kindergarten friends. It's a fun weekend that we've had, and now we're moving on to Monday, which will be week 4, day 4. The first video you're going to watch is Froggy Gets a Doggy. Listen to that. Froggy, doggy. Froggy, doggy. Do you hear it? Those are rhyming words. I knew you would know that. Our sensory play today is writing words in something that you have. You could write them in rice. You could write them in Play-Doh. What else could you write them in? Oh, I have some sand. Guys, look at this. I have some sand that I'm borrowing from a friend, and it's really cool because I can write my sight words in sand too. If you have a sandbox, or have something you can ask your parents if you have any sand around. It would be possible to do it in some mud if you had a mud puddle. So it depends on your house what you guys have around. But this is how you do it. T is our first sight word. You remember our sight words? To and she. And 6 more. T, O says t, ooh. And then you can shake it or you can just kind of pat it down. Oh, yeah. Reminds me of being at the beach. Maybe pretty soon we can be at the beach. And then you do the next one. She, S, H, E, spells she. Oh, I love the way that feels. It's kind of cold. There's a cold feeling to it. Oh, still makes me want to go to the beach. The other thing I wanted to share with you today, which is going to go along with one of our next lessons, is, well, first we have to do the workout to the letter sounds. There's going to be a workout. Make sure you're moving and grooving and doing what Jack Hartman tells you to do, okay? Then you're going to write your sentences. And you did 6 sentences last week, so now it's just time to do 7 through 12. And the first one on there is shell. Sh, 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 sh. S-H, exercising. That's that E, and then the L, and it's going to be a double L this time. That one's kind of tricky. But my friend also gave me some of these to show you. My friend's name is Gloria. She has some beautiful shells, doesn't she? And if we were at school, I would pass them around. Carly, this one kind of reminded me of the one you found on one of your hikes. You had a picture showing that your mom put online. Isn't that kind of a cool shell? But this one, oh, I love this one. She let me borrow. Isn't it beautiful? It's kind of black and white and it's bumpy on this side, but on the inside, it's super smooth and soft. If you look behind me, my dad, when he was younger, he made a lamp out of a big shell that he got at Virginia Beach a long time ago. And he put a light bulb inside it and wired it and put it on a little wooden plate. So it's like a lamp now. And at nighttime, it kind of glows a pinkish orangish color. It's really beautiful. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. There's a few more things to do. So let me see where we were. We did our sentences. Then you're going to write about a pet dog. Now, what if you don't have a pet dog? Oh, you can't go out and get one right now. Probably not. So you're going to imagine one, and I want you to write 3 things about that dog. You might tell me the color. You might tell me what that dog likes to do. And if you don't have a dog, remember you're imagining it, so you can make it up. The kind of dog you'd want to have if you could have any kind of dog in the world. 3 things about your one dog. You're going to watch this super fast challenge of counting to 100. The Count to 100 super fast challenge is coming from Jack Hartman, and he wants to know if you can do it really fast. I bet you can. I bet you can. There's a link for that. So then you're going to count to 100. You know what? Skip that. You guys have it. Activity, play greater than or less than. Ooh, do you guys remember that? I don't know if you do. So if you have two numbers, you have to decide which one's greater than. It's the bigger one, right? Greater than. Or less than. It's little. Okay, so 5 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 5. Got it? So do flip some cards over, or you have some like little ladybug numbers. You could do those too. Those would be easy to do. I don't know if you have flowers. It seems like there were some flowers. So any number cards you have, you can turn them over. As long as you have two numbers, you can just compare them. Which one's greater than, which one's less than. So I'd go ahead and play that one today. And then the lily pad edition. Got the froggy going on with the doggy. So here's our froggy lily pad edition. And you're just going to write the answer down here. If I have 7 and I get one more, I bet you know what that is. One more from 7 would be 8. And then, 5 plus 0. This will be a quick one for you, won't it? You'll just be hopping on the lily pads. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. And so missing you guys. This is not the way kindergarten usually ends its year. We usually do a whole bunch of fun things. So I hope you're doing fun things with your family too. I know we went out to Pomona Lake and drove around. We took our dogs out and walked in the woods a little bit. That was a good thing for our family to do. And I bet you guys are doing some things too, if you think about it, some fun things with your family that you wouldn't be able to do if we were in school every day. So we just kind of have to roll with it right now. Kind of just have to go, man, we wish our friends could be around, but we're going to have to wait for a while. And it'll come soon enough. It really will. Life changes so fast sometimes, and then sometimes it seems like it's stuck. Right now, we kind of feel stuck at home, but that's okay. It's going to change. Everything does. It kind of rolls around. I hope you guys are having a great time with your family. I am. I'm enjoying Kiki. We haven't gotten her trampoline yet. It's supposed to come next Friday. So hopefully it's Sunday now. This will be posted on Monday. So for you guys, it's Monday. So I only have to wait 4 more days. Yeah, I can do it, right? Have a great time, guys. Miss you. Love you guys. Bye.